Alright, so in this video we're going to talk about your note-taking assignment. You have two options for your note-taking assignment. The first one is sketchnoting, and you can watch the Thomas Frank video about that because he does an amazing job of explaining it, way better than I can. It's basically a mind map with some sketching also in there. It's okay if you're not artistic. Stick figures are perfectly fine. If you're a visual type learner, you probably want to try out the sketchnoting. If not, you can do the Cornell Method. And with the Cornell Method, you also have two options for it. You can handwrite them, divide your paper out into the 3 sections and handwrite it, or you can type it. Basics of the Cornell Method are the left side is for your key terms, people, or ideas. The right side is for the bulk of your information, and then the bottom is a summary. So I've got Word here, and I'm going to show you guys how to create the columns in it. First thing you want to do is put the title of your reading or chapter or class, even if you want to take the notes over a class. You would put that information there along with the date. Probably be handy for you. Hit Enter, and then we need to go over to Layout and insert some columns. Go all the way down to More Columns, because we want to adjust the size of our column. We do not want them to both be 3 inches. We want one side to be about 1 inch or 1.5 inches. And uncheck the equal column width. That'll help you out there. We only want about 1/2 inch of spacing between them. And then the other one will be about 5 inches is what it equals out to be there. Okay. Hit OK. And then as you can see here with this little gray, you can see a line, or you can see the divider. If you go back into the More Columns option, you have the option to select line between if you like that. And it will insert a Let me undo that because I did not make it start from that point forward. So, More Columns, line between, 2, don't want equal spacing. Run this one down to 1, and apply from this point forward. And then from here on, you can put your key terms, points on this side, and then you'll be able to, once you get your line and stuff in there, you'll be able to put your other information on the right side. Totally up to you how you do it. Most students on this one prefer to handwrite these because they typically do it over a class lecture. So completely up to you. You guys decide how you want to do it though. If you do have questions about it, make sure that you email me before the due date so we have time to get your answers back to you, and you still have time to get your assignment in before it is due.